Hi viewers, we are at Arab Health 2024 and I am standing in the Neusoft Medical Systems Pavilion, and with us today is the Vice GM of Neusoft company. He is Mr. Walid. So welcome to our program, sir.
Hi, thank you for visiting our stand. This stand for Neusoft Medical Systems. We have been in the market for 26 years, and Neusoft is a leader company for innovation and product manufacturing for imaging and diagnostic products. We have the full product range for products coming from the CT line and MRI. DSA systems and PET-CT, and also for the interventional cath lab for neo-angio CT, which is the hybrid system for CT and neo-angio DSA system. And for the products of the high-end of the CT product line, we have the fastest rotation speed in the CT system, which is the Uvis Epoch Plus, which launched this year in RSNA and in Arab Health 2024. We're also happy to share with our customers and the visitors to share about new MR Rena, which is the fiber distributed spectrometer and full digital gradient system, which guarantee for the scanning to have the fastest, high resolution, high quality scans. So this is innovation what we revealed this year. Thank you for joining.